I just finished folding the clothes. My face is so stiff. Hold on, let me just like kind of get some natural light, and I'm going to I don't know if you guys got that, but it's so cracky. Anyways, I'm gonna wash this off my face, and then I'm just gonna continue doing some chores that needs to be done, and then maybe after I'm gonna do my nails. And thinking of chores, hold on, I have my list. I'm just gonna put it right there. Okay, most of the heavy lifting is done in terms of chores. I still do need to pass like the vacuum, broom, and all of that stuff. But while I'm waiting for the bathroom to dry, I think I'm gonna do something fun like doing the nails, because I know this takes a while given that I let the bathroom air dry. So let's go do something fun. Okay, so I also need to clean my desk, because if you haven't followed me, if you haven't followed me on like the community here on YouTube and also on Instagram, I've decided to add like a hobby series to my YouTube channel. So a lot of you guys actually voted for gaming. Um and I used to game on Twitch, but I kind of stopped, so I might start back. So I need to like rearrange my PC and bring back like the PlayStation that I had and everything there, because that's the setup I originally had. So I'm gonna be cleaning that today, but also while I'm here, and also because it's the end of the month already of February, and I didn't get to show you guys like the reward, what was the reward for January. I said that I was going to show it to you guys in February, so I'm gonna open it now with you guys and then discuss a little bit about that. So this is my jar, if you didn't know, where I have like all the rewards in a little envelope. And basically I have them by month, so it's not random, but I'm going to explain a little more after. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's just short Jan for January. So we're gonna open it up. I actually know what it is. I kind of remembered, but I don't remember what the others are. So yeah. It's so fun. So I got it on a little piece of paper. Yeah, it says visit a city in France. So I actually live like, I like to say on Paris, but I'm like on the outer skirts of Paris. I'm not too far. So it said visit a city in France for Valentine's Day, because I kind of wanted to do a 2-in-1 kind of thing. And as you guys seen in my last video, I didn't go anywhere. We didn't go anywhere. We spent Valentine's Day at home. That's the only reason is because the 2 places that we wanted to go, which I probably revealed in our other video if we do end up going, so I don't want to say it right now in case I don't spoil the surprises. But apparently those places are best to visit during spring or summer, but like late spring and summer. It has been raining cats and dogs these days, even where I live, and it's a little gloomy. So we were planning on going by train and all of that, and we're not like, we wouldn't rent a car or anything. We usually use public transportation to move around, even when we go to other cities outside. And yeah, it was just complicated for us to do that in the moment, and we decided to like push it off. But our birthdays are in March, so I don't know if anything like that is gonna happen in March, maybe. But I'm gonna put this up somewhere like there, probably in my to-do, so I can see it that I opened it. And also I need to like talk about how I kind of calculated, or how I rewarded myself, just in case you guys missed the video. But I'm gonna give you guys a close-up on my journal and like the tracking, so you guys can see. So I was tracking my morning and evening routine, and this is like the check mark for when I've done it from the first week to the last week of January. And let me see, I'm only showing not enough of this. There we go. Sorry, trying to do this one-handed. But yeah, I think that for the first, like for January at least, trying to build a habit, you can see that I did miss some days. I am not perfect. I am not a robot, but I feel like overall I did do most of them. And obviously I need to continue to do so until when I got like at least 5 days out of the week completely filled without a problem. And you can see that they're not the same. You don't count these one down here, you just count the one with the check mark. And it's up to you to decide how you want to evaluate yourself. Basically, there are days where, or weeks where there was not much done at all, and that's totally normal. But I feel like overall, how we did a lot of things, even things that were not included in this, I still feel like we did a good job overall. And if you guys like this type of content to like keep track and just like have reminders of your goals that you want to achieve for January, maybe you have a vision board that you did, or you just know that you need to do certain things, maybe implement it in your lifestyle or whatever, and you need somebody to keep you accountable. If you haven't followed her yet, I've spoken about her already. It's maybe Sarissa. Go to her channel. I don't know how long she's going to be doing this series, but she has been doing goal bingo or weekly goal bingo, where it's like these really micro goals that she put for herself throughout the week, and she do live videos on YouTube about it, and she speaks about it and like just give you a whole rundown. And she then ask you if, like, you know, how are you doing and did you achieve your goals, etc. It's just a good way to like keep you accountable. So go and check her out. Okay, I apologize for not being able to show you guys everything, but it was complicated to get the wiring. But, anyways, this is what it looks like now. It's not the most pretty clean aesthetic, but I did what I could with the space that I had. So, stay tuned for a little bit of a gaming series.